kubwatia na bukurigirirwa na kila muntu.
Anduya hake mwancho mo ligelia wen soko tivyandon sia sore nanda ndon sia sogen kubwatia umurubire yiga wo overbi no botugi botambe aiga no to kumerana to nya ko to gosanga aya tungiti obotugi na bigo over mitobe to gosanga mange nande ekerogen nya ko bogo kurigelde murubire yiga na bogo to mayo jumbe ya nya ko bogo to tyandake kidogani nya ko to kurigelya nande ngaki obwati umurubire yiga na bwana itukulero ningoto nandense meiga yetu no ime yebunge ya West Mugrango kaunti Nyamira aiga stranya wa togo sanga anna mono kubwatikana no butugi bwechimori ndake ikieta ni otonya ka togo sanga anna mono igoro yobutugi bwechombe chamabere aikero omwalimu Samuel Satanya kubaga otwera asinchira yoboime igoro yobutugi bwechombe kiga kurende andake chimori kigakiro chebwe cyabyarino ngakikolendo kwitakia banande chombe eliyo kwanya kubaga kunyora nande obutugi bwao obwechombe kiga cyamabere kurwa chimori kiga iko mwancho murigelia yandra gusanga mu 90 nabakuriki ujumbe yawe nyenge wetrase metanda yeke kirero Facebook na Ensoko TV YouTube Ensoko TV X nabo go TikTok na Ensoko TV nako bakugusanga mu 90 gushakira bonega weko mwerio oisemye oimanye nabo igo kibotambe asumurubiriga oyo hortero murubiriga ni ngoro ko petual machine krongwari ya nyumugeni tase studio tosange anamono kubwatikana no botugi wechimori karibu sana mwalimu
pia mono karibu sana
nande nende togosanga nande igoro yobotugi bwao asense meiga yeto nandake ase faida yo murigelia otanya waziri bagali okurigelia ikieta ntaito motebia namona ningo aiganga itore
pia mona seli baga na ende tigangire chinse chiga koba karabishaga iga bwona na nene mono kirenga no konyo mulimi tutwara mabere busiye
tusi abange bawata na butugi mbuli ko baku
mbuli ko babuya lakini no buya butugi no buya tatiga no buoro na bintu bindo gotamanya nchabuna lirina batebete Samuel Sato iga West Mugrango bugichora ward Nyamberu sub location kera location neto ne kenyorugie tono actually tono na bemanye kanete igoro ya mabere tono ngo produce ira mabere talimake asenye njeli na batatinga aba diocese ya Kisii jagetie wali mawasiro dressing I think they concentrate tie tono igore ende mbya mono naende
karibu sana
asante
asenye nchebiro tumanyangana mono mtu alikeriti igoro bwechombe chamabere nande obutugi bwa bwechombe chamabere ene tabot kubwa chimori because tukurere tukurigelia nene mono igoro yobutugi bwechimori makachibichombe chinene etyo isenire nande kiba mabere won
mbya mono obutugi bwechimori mbore obwa kapisa korwase chombe chinene na bagotebanga emori nere ngombe ya mambi ya mabere na utanye tugetibiya na bera abete kwa mabere bunose merete igobo tugi negendo kende kerega kon oikore ndete korengana buno korende ngombe tu ayicindagera cyane kingake
tugoshaka kema nomono kubwatikana no gwacha gituma ko 2018 last time one tebeti ogwatigete ngombe so tumwete chombe osiniwere osisatu chimoli wacha gitukutuga osine chombe kinene
na chakirete chombe chinana na orete chombe chinana chikabe kachimoli buna na batebetie chombe chonsi kire bweri bwane no chibyarira abatatige yemo kora kire na chagete na chinao netinga tigaro na matoro na rona kini
igo chombe kinyinge nigagwa
na kinairia
okumu kwegeri wenchare ukorenda chimoli chiga gose no manyubwate bokore
bo kwegeri gunkoro no manyimbororo nainde naboko genda no internet naro ya okonya kumanyanga na kiowene tago tugemori yao
tugenda kema tuchake moli egoyi
itangani even before etara iburu kwanza konyerenda kerenge enda yangina
Okay.
It will matanga na kyokurende ngina. It is like buno mwana mo ngina kanyorire oborito oikare ndengana kyakoragera so that umwana akine buya. Na ng'ombe nero morio kwanza konyerenda kerenda yangina ndagera kyoko achi engina. Kenga buna liritu atebete kawaida eli ndagera lakini once ng'ombe ya beire inikaf goikoche njichi ndagera ake. After 9 months renda ng'ombe ye especially ekara yatigari 2 months naro goikokore gento gekorunga steaming.
Whatever tutareka after 9 months. Whatever tukurende mogiga kuna yabwa ng'ombe yabwa tubulito.
Yes.
Kuna yabo muzigo yiga.
Yes.
Wikanga boke mekinyi kyenda. Ndagera kechi whatever ng'ombe taegu.
Ng'ombe ne takire koegwa chi ndagera tuchiri twatebete chi protein chi ndagera cha carbohydrate that is energy. Chindagera lavage likunyigo tia mache chichumbi mono chichumbi china chichigo cha chiale to bokong igorende nindagera ile utatigarenda okonya kiazi ugo tulikonya kawaida kama ichichinde bonero ke bwato muzigo ulikonye ngeli yake ya
anana mono kupatikana no botike bwechombe engombe nero the last time one debetinga enolete
linjabeka mori
so bono engombe yiga kere enolete iga indi umuremya akwigokeria engombe yakere muzige tarachikonyora
tetakeiri naendonye mono because bona mori yeye nabera akini naende koreki etani. So you have to the formula nero gose bigwango mbirororo when etakonye yunta eresa bono because I think buna na eresa last time tetakeiri naende nore mono tetakeiri nore mono kana bokonyora ya affectirie ngine lirara mori maybe ya balijiri ya kwarusiri somewhere onekere wechikobeko konyoranga in most cases ng'ombe even ye kwanga kurie ndagera after ya bekire especially ya ndagera ye chenge kwanga kuria because of problem elia ng'ombe ya moria betenene kwarusha ng'ombe somewhere ono konyoranga ya twalire kiasi dandata things yanga kuria chenge igogo ikobe ke afunga na kyokunyerage
kere ng'ombe muzi 9 months yetire
9 months jaitire
ng'ombe
ya bekire mori ng'ombe in most cases naende tokwayeria ng'ombe kobeke mori wikonye time ye prepare uziende ororenga ya chakire nayo chake kuingiza mikono unafuruta give it time so kia magoro kabisa magoro give it time let it relax otherwise chombe chibane jomaitene jiro wild animal jingala igo wild animals ndiko kanda toji kochikonya konyora na wenga chingera ndiko kanda toji kokonyengera konyore emol so give it time ekara kwa ringa ya very prepared bono ngonya go tosere iriye gwetosa na riyo kumusaka actually naende mungusa gwetania abantu babere it should be 1 or 2 kara ya kongire musake ng'ombe ya beka
whatever at the same time my chombe ni to wild animal so umuntu no tige ng'ombe bakibure uka emo
yes there are some cases ngo bana nyore mori erebwe ya nae jananye lige na ratera tayari na agende bitoro byambwaza uko boka mabena nyore mori ngweliere otherwise it can give birth by itself okumusa kuri naende ngo nyi affect tore twateba even nonye ne lirara mori omoye moya sorry not lirama omoye otoliko choru bwango lakini ya kare prepare yoke kobeka yoka in fact omoye okorubuya
Emondi ya
bekirwe kara ya bekirwe immediately you wash it na ndo kunyisiarira macha mange kabisa so tatie maji fluid chiria bakoro kobuya na bokonyora ya ngusire one kero kunyisiarira macha kwegosa ya soki kunyisiarira macha mange kabisa even 1 drum kunyisiarira kabisa to kwa wangango you give it a lot of water kunyisiarira kabisa you wash it and immediately you remove it from the mud. Even ngine taraboka tararia rice nero you get yegunia kwanyebeka mwanyambana mwanyebeka to the calf bend bunei wa
ona kero to kuria lia nne mono obutugi tutaracho bwa which moli tiganke wuchirin obutugi mbore bwa banta ba kawaida obo chombe chi monda gutugira nkai monda tigetengo emwali mpaka yeimoka yanda chikobong so teta kirigo
se chombe chi teta kirigo because oiko control ya mabere mori ekonyo ekekera kaonga to komanyangia skiyanyo secondly it might chance nge mori ya kure ekero ya kure bono gukame ng'ombe ri minus ya mori okonyore kwanga that is why in traditionally ekere mori ya gonkire ngina mori yakwa yabakanyeruziri sankwa babe barosiri sanku bune mori ng'ombe yanya komena
ali
bagukama
ekere
yatwale birengera ringa it should be milked after mori yanya gonkire that is the issue
so immediately una ya beke mori
you will move it
after some minutes mwe ya kwa yesiarira masi
kwa nyerusio roro na kwa nyerusio get warm water sivya ng'ombe libuya after kwa nyesibirie now milk it that is colostrum bona mabera alienya mori tukonyaruka ale yellow nye kame
aina
ya mori kae mori immediately kae mori even 2 liters enyu 2 liters well and good 1.5 well and good
adwana mwalimu mori yega some hours tote 3 hours yamanyire ko amabera
instinct maete bwate instinct imagine buna yabe kunze gamnego tena naiga ewanza koliki mbere jenyina kero no tokonyali gonkindire timaite swarira eli yes bono yokobeka digonkire elibone kokonka bunengina and this one is very important why because by nature emori ekokonka kerochi go eroche kiagara ligonkire ngina chimbere chengine chire korugoro one kokonka kerochi goro onye mostly bali bakonyana echupa gosena kendeiga most cases mori chiwoje chiakwa because amabera ali akogenda asendeli tara develop yagenda to the wrong stomach whatever lakini bone keroko nyera ligonkie you save your cow ekogonka kerochi gergereti goroiga
kono mwalimu kerengombe engombe yera 2 hours usite 1 hour kuriyaka yakabege ege pime ligongelia ndwate bipima nkyo koyama eke wango kingani
immediately buna yabe kaiga that colostrum is very good milk for the calf maya sana because nabwate antibacteria nabwate immunity bono konya immediately una kwanya zibi kwanyereta tamboka mukore mori yansire komagamaga yansire korra what is happening you give it and I've said you give it 2 liters 1.5 liters to 2 liters and you 2 liters well and good nabera anyu yange nabera anyu 1 liter and you 1.5 yange you leave it you don't force it
yodoro nyanywe dolo nyanywe
baka to nyana ende tan actually mostly 2 liters enyamoli elio
after how long
Bonem, this is another issue. Abalemia wange maybe batamanyeti. Ng'ombe yekiabeka emoli ntobwata amabere ali colostrum mwenya mori amabere ali so important na ng'ombe mori tekukura amabere alia samwe karaba akamire baitera ande bagizeze bali bagwate jungurwe ba but that is not the case amabere alia karwa akamire kwa ile mori aya atigara ukonya beke cherikana kebuyu kelia kanere ya 20 liters like jombe jo kama amabere like 20-25 in one day aijore kebuyu kelia cherikana wana amabere alia karakwanya beka ukonya sungusi yake onya sungusi
onya kumeka
kwanya kuneka kwanya sungusi and then you save that milk for 11 days because it is after 11 days amabere alia fit for human consumption nalibona wene tabantu bakoliera odo abande bako ansa koliera ekara 4 days abande 5 abande a week lakini the recommended yali anjeire is 11 days
bona ya mori naroko yabeli kwama ko yereke
ko batabinde tori koberia okonyabeka buna gwakamanya
yabeka buna gwakamugo
yabeka nyabeke kebuyo because mabera alikende ngeyo gekonyo nyabeke kebuyo by the 11th day okonyoro what almost 200 liters these 200 liters yana mabera onanga kwangoja koi Born after 11 days, you now go into business. Because ya mabera alibono gwakamire okoni. Tori kwa mori.
Yabono ama tukai kumina limo airire mabera no buate
stock
wakabekire keralitu.
Yes. 200 above 200 liters. Bona ya naro kwa mori yeyo.
Yokwenda gwata kwa beke
okogenda gwata kwanya beke chaki bana makendo wala kwanya beke chaki kwa belia maji watereka ime so that yaba warm aba liberera because wekatu ala temperature ya ng'ombe aba liberera kara liberera kwa beke ligontu neli kwanya 2 liters in the morning 2 liters mobaso 2 liters morogoba. That is about 6 liters. Ekonyo. Secondly, amabera yumanyete bona ko babne yogurt.
Nikiagira be ramo tuko kumineli.
Abwate antibiotic. Abwate kwerende enzymes kiriji go digest ko konye ng'ombe go digest. You know ng'ombe mori ekero ya byaluru ebwate enzyme mubere. Enzyme echibere na chichigo digest only protein. One ng'ombe bwate mori bwate enzymes chichigo digest protein. So mori is able to digest a lot of protein area kanyora because in most cases ekare once na koras some protein. So ekero gono kwanya ire bona yando okoni mbara tuateba ari ukere so stoget na rokonya keralitu so another thing in the morning you can give it one egg tiga na liango yes okwata wakoroga kwa umule samavera alinda kwanya you are adding more protein. Yeah, you are adding more protein because mori one target protein kine because ingo chikorigere litoling after 12 months yaisana ile kosa and unless you do that one naboko nyoranga teraisana. So in the morning you give it one egg wakoro kwanya na mabera for 11 days
eke mambigioka
lige na mambirioka after 1 month you had it now, 1 egg in the morning, 1 egg in the evening. Ya ni magenave. O magenave fresh.
Okonya komenta
after 1 month. Yeah, after 1 month. Bono gendere rego.
So big after 1 month. No gen to kujia mabera yega. Au kwa bigete jerkan. Mad most na maroko.
Yeah.
Inki kelio ko ando ko ya bisek amabera yega na inki kelio tali ko ya aragenda simu
ama ng'ombe ye in the first case abande bagokana you introduce it to water immediately after 3 or 2 days you give it water
mo karade mwalimu ega kwa chiro wanga mo ya beki
yes
matukabere
yes
kwa ya maji
you give it water.
I remember it kele mom sana ngite
kwa ta ng'ombe mo ya maji kujua
Igo na gosto snero.
No nero gosto. Oh no.
Igo ngi mo dai gochi.
Igo ndo mo ogando muoro ke video yo. You give it water, but it must be warm.
Inki ko yera mache.
It must be warm. Naenda have clean. So that atikonye konya even in the digestion ya makwerende even otanye tie chinde njiro chitairi okonyora even in their machabo agotwara manyinga ego urinate ya manyinga even in the feces agotwara manyinga so you give it
amachari warm
after one day you give it ekonyo bakesana. You don't toy konye pindat. Ayo konye konye.
Okoje bekera.
But here again you have to be very careful. Abande mbale ba kwa ngombe mache na mabere ba gutumie packet. The same packet. Onya ne packet ye ndagere no ba kumura mabere ke gokora ba sabuzoro ba go sabuzi na no it should not be like that. Emo packet ya mabere should be different. Like this one inje neronko ere mori amabere. Eye neronko ere mori endagera. Eye neronko ere amache. This is water now. This is water. Eye no toko mori amache. So packet elikuwa ere mori amabere taliero na ndoko nyera amache. Bono
neroko nyere ndagera.
Na neroko nyere ndagera no. You should have 3 packets. Bono ekero kwanya amabere amini amache bona ayo kwenye tigabu soronga sa macha ayo are warm ekunyo na ekunyo kidogo yeah
Brako
after that ngwambo lingi naendo bwana takanya bona na bokonyo introduce to pellets ya echine chindagera chemo yene ndagera ya mori bona
na wondo zine chengeli echo
yene ye mori yene ye jimori
kali yechingo
yene ye jimori na bokonya these pellets now na bokonya pellets echi na pellets echi abandu maite bago chishock in water abandu bose bachisangania mabere that is wrong just give it na bera ali basiteli
hold on mwancho moligelia oyo no mwalimu Samuel Sato ogotomanya n'amagoro yo botiyo bwiga bw'ekimoli oburinde bw'ekimoli bwikana ndechabire chombe ekinene kiwende kubekana inde kimoli kiga nakyo butigi bwaye bure oyo nawo tweraiga nakyo kuitia amabere kerengo kyo gwa amabere nabo igo egendo nje kiango sire amacho wende konya after mutukabire nandi kwegure nasikie kwerwa amache yega nande machiki wende koya Toskari kiagera na mange turaje gusanga sensema ito yakabiri no muri mito Samuel Sato kura sensema tiga ubwatikana na kyo gukora ubutugi bw'ikimoli egero nyore uboita burigoro ase amabere kiroti yakinebe Toskari kuna turase sensema ito yakabiri maiga emutima komoka
Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi chinchira chito chigekoro nigo chirasoko goseli bwokonene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero ekira kikiagire Ensoko TV twachire gutorigesa ko ky'umugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba y'abanyandwariro
oboroso bw'umugusi boigekerwe umugusi bono ne chinjira cyago goikaransanse nakobeke TV yawo kwene kingangwe somye uregekoro ky'umugusi
wetro murobiryo bw'igekoro gyeito hasi tokomera nabaga kabasamwerere naboigabanye nabanyika Iligo kwanero ukwebogia chindagera amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao yumugusi
kera litsuko ri aramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yawo nambe Ensoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira
eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi
Yegoro yeito imeye Ensoko Ensoko Yegoro yeito imeye Ensoko Ensoko ibyengiya yakire ngumanga bunalero Ensoko
Sembro comingo magara Minto mas meletinga semua beta muganda gorgeria Ensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi Ensoko kusema makano
omuche gotengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukumanya yago korekana kera rituko nabariki baitu beandirete chinga kichons aseng'encho yao eariganie asobotengari butari n'omubwekano obugima n'orugendo rubwatamange amaya n'amabe omusakito Linet Nyambane niga ng'aririe imena isiko ya gusi na gusanga n'abayaeteire n'abakuyaetera
nchekera na ibore twe unango tebiwa ndabona ibore tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiwe ke miaka sta ngachaka ngondifera po ngoira samagoro wani kamanya gutokanga na twali roba ona wacha gitego
aya nime yo muroberyo bumwenori kira ritukura Jumatano chinsaiber chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bumuguse eye ne Nsoko TV oboroso bumuguse
Yake mana ndo mwancho morigelia memono kerogen tukubwachi moroberiga bo bermino botugi kurchinseme kigacheto no ebunge yiga ya West Mugrango County Nyamira ekero morimito gaiga Samuel Sato ogotumanyana mono egoro butubwechi moje kiga ekero tokumanyanga kile bondo kara kile tabwandi kokara ejo nyaka bagokora obutugi bwao obwechi mori ejo nyaka bagokonyeka sobutugi bwao mwalimu kwanyeire kamaje kwanyira mabere ngunya gukinere ya tire mitinye bere mitinye
even before etaragenda there are other things we want to introduce.
Yes.
Mono konya dry grass nero at that
ase mitinye yomo
even before 1 month even a week even nyaye after 1 month nabo konya introduce even to silage. This is the silage which is corn silage talia masakara. You give it
nele utioka buye
utioka buye bune yono. It is very nice. Then also introduce chumbi minolik yebe kabo bune yono nesungeire abo ekona abo.
Well, whatever Tonya introduce as a pellet, bremata,
hay, silage mixed with the chinsiaga.
Chinsiaga, and it's with that.
Yeah, chinyum actually. Chinyum. Yeah.
Onya no money.
Onya no money.
Not much bad.
Not much bad. The majaro should be there always.
Nchokonyera hay.
Hey, dry matter. Nkonye mekiere edevaro. You know, ngombe wate stomach inda inyeba whatever. Yeah. Bono in Jones in Chiro devaro blevimo. Bono it will enable it to develop the other stomach. Chichaka functional. So the time okonye wini. Tekawa started. Okonye wini, okonye orango pikiere buya. You will find it picking. Chombe chinde njiro no kwana chama verega, it goes down. Kama nyakoba kabe, koja koka improve is a problem. Lakini wone mori wune is 2 months exactly. This is 2 months. Wone ye after 4 months. Okonye ayabere nene. Nonye wini. Teli koba affected yako enda ukina kwa. Yeah.
Nakie ukonye chakilinda birengo na mapema yanya kuragera egere ojukupunguze kiwango kya mabera ali okunya bakako ojukuna kya mabera aliga igendere ukina mitinyirenga iyura okuna charama
mabera na oranye wini at 4 months.
At 4 months.
Yeah, at most 4 months. 4 months. Yeah.
No botengo emolie wiki ya mali no yo mutieni no mutieni nini tatu
mutieni ebere 2 months yagara nyolire mutieni gatatu 15th So June ye nalia ojo gukora 2 months.
Obulendi bwe liye mutinyo yomo. Eye wiki yemo mutinyo yomo na 2 months.
Eyoma etabono, although the feeds are the same, lakini eyebono yansire kulia endagera nyingi. So eyebono wike bwe endagera enyinge yansire kulia echumbi iko kawaida. So that is the only difference. But those ones again were introduced to pellets na jirocho. Eyebono ya 1 month inakula pellets vizuri. Yeah.
Kwa yire ndagere yega kigyo tabone kinande go parakero kwatigire bona kuya mabere
ekaro watigire ko nyama bere bono. This is a very delicate thing now. Bona gendo kara no konya border supplements. Toroji kwarule pellets one. Bona okanya border supplements. Na chumbi still you continue. Ogenda konya kwerende chumbi maje alafu negento kara is monitoring ya weight. Or at least every day ngombe maintain weight because weight is very important.
Ebonto ko ba kirere
bune yebono iga 2 months what 100 kilos.
2 months and
yeah, 100 kg. More ko via karo ko via mostly go to 50 kilos, 50 to 60 kilos. No okonye monitor to what talira trio kwenye veka. To what the mensa
omwana gerako iro kiri nyazo nera trio.
Era trio korutwa. Lakini yamori wana to kwenye rutari. Wana ndo what the mensa eyo kwenye pima korulita ananse gocha sukubi. And then you can read the kilos. The scale is there. You can read the kilos. Umanyanga irenga. Is it adding or it is reducing? If it is reducing, that is too bad. You have to improve the feed.
For example, mne yega ndo try pimango. Usene
Acha baseti.
Skirere ngaya iki. Bado keroke anpretame kwenye ndagere yega utara ikimashikiro. Skiro njiro tabonde kuika. Etani.
Yeah.
Musenya comment.
Bona gara comment that better. Because amori bono goikere bono after winning you can deworm the cow. You can deworm the calf, I mean. Nako kwenye deworm
you have to meet in
for 3 months. Kwenye worm every month for 3 months. Okonya a tablet eyemo. Ne tablet yelio matekera kwanya guriro konyorere very hard kuchandera andu bande bakonye bakabanya crash nzajinda yaitaka. What you do, you boil water. No jechu be fanta. So chuba soda. You boil water makeigo kwa beka ime ekonywera buye go dissolve buya kwa menta majande maka kwanya eyemo. Then after another month kwanya. After another month kwanya. Emori also you can
the woman
the worm mean every month for 3 months. After that now emori you can call it fat. Fat nabago kwa nabako nyebeta vitamin kwenye stabilize. Ndoro jibono ya tigira mabere ngojere te basa ko lose balance. O anya multivitamin or kuna vitamin ile iko syrup. You can also give it, you can go and buy, you give it
after 3 months you put the
deworming multivitamin. You must give it multivitamin. One more ya children is almost now facing 9 months. 9 months na endenya pimoro arolenga how many kilos you got. Na endenya kanya mende but the bune kanya okina bune kanya kolienda gere nyingi. One you are giving it hay. Even you can give it hay only the better. Only dry matter only is the better. Or dry matter nabokonyesya and then all molasses overukania and then after that nabokonye silage onye beke silage umanya konya ekolivia kabisa. Then you can add other fodder kirichibwata nitrogen like amatamanya bwali like kaliandra like chilosan onye kubwata tapeta. Those are proteins now. Tapeta. Okay, especially karaira matama nyabwali na grow very fast. For your information, emoli ya nere engineyo. Ya ganeti embego keresera ni man.
Abno na kwenda. Mekinyirenga emoli ya ukreikire ko nyimbe.
Yeah, it will depending on akikwango nyeragere, chichumbi ngonya kwarenge, it is gaining weight. After 12 months, yeah, it's an area of but it should have above 350 kilos. Maganya kobasa. Une yana yagane tia karere 7 months, ya wata 250 kilos only. So we could not, and we thought ingana wasori yako karana wasori yako. But after mutinyo nane naende kagani. Mtu mutinyo kiana naende kagani. Kati kwenye sabili mutinyo 11. Ya gained 350. So after 12 to 14 months, actually ngombe ya very soft. But usually, traditionally to got 21 months. 21 months. Yeah. There no. If you want to make it very fast, after 12 months, you serve it.
So meaning the main point iga anamana sobo tiyo which moli, nenchiroko yerageli, nenchindagara chiroko ya. And you are preparing it to give you more milk. Yeah. Oh. And ko rageli yokuiga namavera naro
no what in minding, you are preparing it to give you more milk.
I've not to get a chumbo, say chimoli, chumbo. Yeah. Most of the time when you're chimoli, you are very clean, no kurageli. Kurageli go Kongera Korandake, what the one at chimoli figure. Ngon.
Koran Kongera, chimoli con most na GH. Like here when they use 1 month already is booked. Manyana Nero Nyorigo Japoya is already booked. And almost because Timbu at the and it's an economical to get. You get a bonya to get kino, you will not make it. Wombu yoga 3 of them, graduating, Kembalivan Jetabacoira, Pachigora Mavera, a border, Pacha, Kinabama was gone.
You can't be take the over that, and they go the more you want to make in the day. But then you can get almost
10 months. 10 months now. Because it is now 2 months. Yeah.
You get
10 months.
12 months.
12 months. When you want to unless you are very affected or anything, 12 months it will be served. Yeah.
Wow. No mancho morigan no wait and I know against what more of the over the Minovoti and Namono to give which more the figure. Ekreto sanga normally make to Samuel Satu Manyavu, you went to Kora. Now we can get what I want to radio Kokoro to go which more via Egeronaco Conora Mavera Ligro. After keep in mind the road gang on Biga, Okoyaraga via Okonya Tindagra Yoko Yomo, Yoko Yaki, Kemo Amati, Ogan to Kuyarigania, it's your convera man. While in the mall, yeah.
Yes.
Yakin Roquan service.
Yes.
Potrei conhecer Madiogo in Kakiki o qua e Modiaga Madio.
And
the Madio
go what the hygiene. Go what the hygiene. Go pungu soling or more Kurwara. A more you may in the Conora ya very infected, you give it the antibiotic. Yeah, mostly knowledge one is vitamin. Banana valiria chile caligere was a 9 months. You give it vitamin. You deworm it to whatever, and then otherwise antibiotic. Yeah. Pero chubone seru manyete, you can see a seru no, yare rest. You can see a seru bound water in it. One is Keria Kogandai. Nobody was to clean there. Meaning, is the place is very clean. You're easy. Everywhere go talk. Even the containers we are using, giving it feeds and water, it is very clean. So you avoid because the more rwara, the more reduce the kilos, one of the go to gain those kilos you target, a carago to yeah. You take care.
What's your real money?
Or the other may be a Mariora is vaccination. Yeah, good vaccination yet more.
Nadigariga, in Chiroga, the last time I get you a chumbe, go register a chumbe, and I'm
yeah.
Narega, small Chirachu, Chimokiri,
yeah.
Time to rush the mattress was stressing to
no, there is no need. Quanse mattress, you're going to Raji Corara, and your race, to control a jump, which is restrict the Jara and Jicovecas mattress. A one of Vicovecas mattress.
So, next week,
the way when it and every what the specification is high. Una one idea is just the Vichara Viverega. From where out to where out, and don't go back at frame. From where frame to frame, and which are Viverega. So that it, if I no, what a liver Galilea. So Gacovecas goes down. To go to case, Etigalegoro, which you collect over chaff. Yeah.
Gagora, and no, which is separate. The guy not in Nanke and the Nanke.
Now the watch is separate because of age. So which one on Goliath one. A ring or a ring or one we can separate. The and dagger at the Urichin. Otherwise, so you be crania chinkanajin and when you're drinking catching under the comia, like the other one, Quarojamina, covered. Yeah.
Ranjiro today, Goliath, but which Veka was there.
You have a space, Yaraga, about which we come. Yeah. You have a space, Yaraga, about which we come, and even the better because it's Chiconarana. One Karagoja which change, which advance to a unity, one of your Chiwana and a Chicoralia ram.
Whatever I can watch activity with Chombe, none and one day the other week. I watch activity.
Yeah.
Could really want each more together.
Yes.
When the change your routine acquire Yatabo with Kenya, and never number with Chom the Chamavere, as to the world with more.
Yeah, unlike Chombe Chirito Kora. You can actually Chombe Chirweki because number one, watch all the Beo, you target, because in Coagotology Carterol, you go describe a bull, will ya, or target. So, on Belio Tageta, Mavera, you target Quanya, and then Quanya feed what can recommendation. So, this cow is likely to improve, and you know it, and then go to a immunity, go socialize in an environment in Azoea. Now, in the one of John Bay, you may the more you breed. So, you know, on the night I get an arrow. A kanga litoro. A little radio, not really young litoro. Litoro lindo mojo coronero, mojo corolla. Mojo coronero, Pacava chocorara cane, Maviara cane, Cavalier, Evigoliara cane. You have the pure now breed, the pure Frisian. All the shoe of thing in a record, the Amavera Nakiare, what not, the Baco Cavone Bedigir. Yeah. So it's better than Nikoga and Chombe. And the child will disappoint, but you can have Chiriogo Chakra, and then the best way to succeed no go breed Chombe Chow.
Ngoko negro yoko ragera, Nandemono Chinsiaga, it's more what I see of woman dry matter.
Yeah.
Insiageti or whatever, now you go dry.
Yeah, now you go dry.
What you have necessarily.
Yeah.
So, Molinaro could get the Hammer Riega, and avoiding a nomono. Moliga, Oye Dagera, it's got whatever. It's still what a match.
Yeah.
Now, what you go kin upon with a
no, Karakonia, especially Jinsia, Jinsia has got a lot of water. Kero jibwata macha mange it gives a ng'ombe egasi enkongo yoko get rid of the water in the body. That is why eng'ombe yoko nyora eko itera macha nande again. Or eng'ombe yoko nyora ya irurura marionya. Wakagane na mageja. No. That is bona marionya liago tenena allow evaporation ya macha alikurusu mubiri.
Nakioko nyora chimoli chimoli chinkiga
chirurete wakaganga maybe ne kwerende na
amachi
na ebyanda alina amache or it can be ebyanda but yakerebwata amache amange from the feeds, not the water it is drinking, from the feeds, because ya amache yakogenda talikogenda into a system ndagera ona machaya wikage rid of wikanga get rid of okonyora na boyo, and that is okonyora bone ng'ombe ye yajake gutwara jinda jina ne yajakire ko beka bone ko beke skenyinga actually. So the most recommended is chombe jisinke is hay nyoko what the hay give them hey naende elierenge chinsi aga chitige chiome let it dry.
Omuti kero kurige lyasubule mbo wa kwere utugwe chimoli no utugwe chombe nki kerekyoro
chombo of course toro chingo kwajira mabere nkwera gerikira toro chikunko andore kwaonia mabere wacha gorere ndagera but chimoli wono mwete wono nchiranza ko produce. So chimoli again as well as ukuragerie engina ego kwaji beso nyiragereri naenda as well as ngorageriere moli yaya. So moli konyetuga is a bit expensive because tebwatiena income. But nkwambo lingana kinkonia chibone chichinka koni naende asara. The best way is naende the best gokonyo mulimi eng'ombe kine 12 months ever served after 3 months confirm beyond the reasonable doubt ngane watembeo, and then if you feeling konye disposal that is the right time, and that is the right time where akajua
maybe that's 13 months
15 months
15 months
yeah,
because it was 12 months
ever served
kwa ya embeo
yeah 3 months
kwa manya
ngane watembeko kwa manya konya kama goma. But as well as the chemical jajire, you can test the pregnancy even ekerere is it 1 month or a few weeks, then a few weeks. You can test it. There are some chemicals oko mix na urine yako ajikaragete it's have not because is even expensive because go test again to is 700.
Ko haligere yan naman igoro yeng'ombe yiga ko yone ribon.
Yeah.
Your success story and naman small what gire nando ko arenga tigo mendam vera yiga. No nya ko nyara nando manyo muligere dia and naman indi kwa ba ko batena moli yaro agina ya tigete ne moli ye tan jo nyete.
Yeah.
Mabere angete na mayata.
Yeah.
Asobo tugipoli bwa we small kikabon.
Ya bno na te va currently wono jombengo kama njiri chivyalire gaza na they have improved in the production of milk kubwa chingina. They have improved so far kubwa chingina ng'ombe bono na begwe sustain na begwe rageria, and at the same time ya gotigera genda kana yo kubeko muko. In most cases I get rid of chiri toro china around irin chiri na chagete nacho umuremi ago cha na mweresa ni state kire mabiara renga ya ikire whatever, let me go and try we negotiate on a jewel. Lakini bono chimoli tinda produce chimoli nganza ko because the target ya actually target wiki 20 cows chiro bweliga okonyora no enteni gokamule, and that is the time you will start making good profit.
Bonega wanda what almost 15 by the
15
yo no te
sana bono na ndenko ya
ma ku iro kumuli media te
oh ay wata wanga na inje bono ngonyora ndenga seti na agora kurwesa ng'ombe
tutara chigokora muri biga hanira mono ngwateba insemiye tono me county Nyamira nko itogari muri inumo mubwata mabe
mabera idogari
why nande nkitwe mo gukora muri myorigere tumi province mo shinde county ya Kisii county Nyamira na agency ya Kenya araga nene ara kumanyanga nketono no muri mi tatuba gukora different asubo tiyo biga which more in each of the mabe
una nate vai diocese ya Kisii nja yete go introduce amangana zero grazing abantu beto no bakamba beta advantage na barawekera baja bachaka abande bakarorera they were even opening njwango morole what we are doing isemi jikagenderera in fact abantu bagansobotu bono togasegetana abantu bagansobotu and that is why we are producing
so nande
kalimake
nkola from ngwegera ni muri
ngwegera ni tole na aba group
nga yo mwelio ucyase murigereje wensoko tiyo bole mino botugi kubwatikana neki mori kiga nande kegyataga niri gukora ase beke
ya jimori tori na mori amacha give it water na mori ye tonya jinsi yaga kirikire chimbese because ko butiara na mori ye you do well memory enero lende karogo gochaka ba just chore mbego rengia like una nabatebia we are advantage the county ya Nyamira neto etu mutungi alafu they give us nitrogen free because nitrogen is a bit expensive to maintain bono otokwenda twagura chimbego twabeka bono nchekaranta geten ngombega sabuti no bateyo munyagetari ogenda ali veterinary clinic Nyamira orete ndege iyo so we thank the county ya Nyamira what it is doing for us except kuna ulegevu wa bantu getororo bakonyora bakero maybe ngombe yatakire mbego is not there you call him does not come taro chiti agency
okayauni
baba ngombe yaunia that is my request ndawe kenga abizi elia kijoli binge clinic nyagetari when the go in 24 hours
good
thank you otherwise we thank the office ya veterinary Nyamira of that service.
Thank you so much. Wancho murigelia no botambe ikere no muchakano kene kuboro mwe ndogo kora mwana na mange asini chibiro gusaba nga twikero mwe ya bwasi gitsikuria rekorende nyaka batukenda gusangana mono kubwakana no butiyo bega bw'icyombe cy'amabere iyo bukinya ebirengo by'amabere ikagera amabere butambe nabo kunyaka bwo kunyorera enyere yawe yakira litiko urasobote bw'icyombe cy'amabere nande wikekero kende turomera na sembeo asumuriga bubere mino botugi bakanire burigerya burobya abakanda kubatemurubiriya sise mu cyonsi ipikekirero na butambe yema nasogotora ensoko TV n'uburuso bwo mu gusi asokorosera amangana y'uburemi no botugi nkini gonkuru kaputwel machini tobe na muri mito Samuel tatukurwase account yiga ya Nyamira otwerera mange kubatikana no botugi bwiga bw'ikimoli naye wasomere kimura kunyakuvuga utumika asubo lemibwao no botugi bw'ikimoli wikekere cyo na ntoro madanse mbyo bakonire marwabenge